3,000 passing for Derry Londonderry. 3022. One from Derry will be coming shortly. That's it. Train coming in the Whiteabbey, 1934, sorry. No, 2035, sorry. 3,000 service to Larne Harbour. This one isn't the Whitehead one, it's a Larne one. Oh. 3018 Miss Stalker. Again. Chris, you getting off that one? Probably a little bit. This one's coming from Belfast. Move out of that.
No conductor off it.
No, he just pooped his head out.
Oh, did he? That was that. Oh, clear, off you go.
You must know this other wee boy. Larne Harbour. Look, there's another one coming. 2040 or the express one. No, it's the non-stopper. Rainbow train. 306. 306 and 3016. 306 and 3016. The rainbow train is on it again. There's another one on the other side in 2 minutes. 4,000 on the 2040 to get Victoria Street. What is it going to be this time? Four 9. Get ready to depart is 409. Dead engine. Engine 49's dead. That's it.